Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your account name on Grubhub. If you don't have a Grubhub account, we will put the link on the description below for you to sign up, and get $10 off your order of $15 and above. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Then sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for your account at the upper right corner of this page. Click on the drop-down arrow beside your account name. On the drop-down list, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Account. There you will see a section for your account name. Click on the Edit button beside it. Now, make the necessary changes on your account name. On the first and second field, enter the new first and last name you wish to use. Then on the third field, enter your current password. After entering all the required information, click on the Update Name button. That's how you change your account name on Grubhub. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.